Blake, why do you have all those USBs?
Trying to transfer my data to my new MacBook, but I can't find my hard drive and all I have are these USBs and...
Blake, there's easier ways than this.
Welcome back, Tech Heads.
Kevin and Blake here. Okay, let me just show you the simplest way to copy your data to your new MacBook wirelessly. Step 1. We first need to prepare both of our MacBooks. For this to work safely, the first thing we need to do is open both MacBooks and plug them into charge. The last thing you want is for your battery to die during the process and lose all your data. Also, since this method is wireless, we want to make sure both of our MacBooks are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Step 2. On both of your MacBooks, go to the magnifying glass right here and click on it. In the Spotlight search bar, type in Migration Assistant. When this application appears, click on it to open it. When the application pops up, click Continue, and Migration Assistant will now take control of both of your MacBooks.
Okay, Kev, I've got like 3 to pick from, so which one do I choose?
This is where I want you to pay attention carefully, but don't stress, it's simple. Step 3. Before we click on one of the 3 options, we need to determine which MacBook is going to be sending the data, and which one will be receiving the data. On the MacBook you are choosing to send all of your data from, in Migration Assistant, click on To Another Mac right here. On your other MacBook, the one you want to receive all the data, click on From Another Mac right here. Once you've completed that, go ahead and click Continue on both of your MacBooks. They will now begin looking for each other to connect.
Hey Kev, what was that option about? Like from a PC? Can you copy a Windows PC to a MacBook?
Oh yeah, it's super easy.
Well, that's pretty cool. How about we do a video on it in the future, and when it's available, we'll link it right up here for you guys, and you can check that out.
And subscribe so you don't miss out as well. Step 4. Once the MacBooks locate each other, click on the MacBook you want to connect to, and click Continue. You'll now be given a number code on both screens. From here, match the numbers on both MacBooks to make sure they are the same. If they are, go ahead and click Continue. You should now be given the option to uncheck any data you don't want to transfer to your MacBook. You can even click the arrows here to fine-tune any specific folders you do not wish to transfer to your MacBooks. Once you've confirmed everything, go ahead and click Continue once again. You'll now be prompted to set up a password for your new MacBook.
Hey, don't look at my password.
I'm not. Relax. So go ahead and type in a password and click Continue at the bottom when you're done. Your transfer will take quite a while, so it's pretty important you learn how to erase your old MacBook the correct way in this tech-tastic video right here.